Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to cover a very interesting topic. Suppose you are using, this is a Samsung A31 mobile, and I will show in this. If you are using a Wi-Fi, if you are taking internet connection from a Wi-Fi or a hotspot from your friend or Wi-Fi from some places, that Wi-Fi or hotspot may have range limitation, means beyond certain range it will not come, but you want to use that Wi-Fi or hotspot in a phone that is beyond that range. Then at the verge of that range, you need to enable Wi-Fi sharing in your phone. Means what I mean to say means you will receive internet from that Wi-Fi, then you will make your phone hotspot simultaneously at the same time, and then you will send the data from your phone to another phone. That phone will be out of that Wi-Fi or hotspot range, original range. Hope you understood what I was trying to convey. If you want to do so, then I will tell you very neatly, step by step procedure how to activate Wi-Fi and hotspot simultaneously in a Samsung mobile. So what you need to do, just go to the setting, go to the connections, here Wi-Fi you turn on. I am getting some I have connected it. Okay, now it is connected. Here the symbol has come, Wi-Fi has now been connected. Now come to the hotspot and tethering. As soon as you will try to switch it on, it will ask you to use mobile hotspot. Wi-Fi needs to be turned off, but if you turn off Wi-Fi, then that Wi-Fi sharing will not happen. Then what will you now do? Tap on mobile hotspot, go to the configure, go to the advanced options, go to the Wi-Fi sharing. It will tell that make sure that you have permission from Wi-Fi provider before sharing your connection. Okay, then okay, it is on, then save it. Okay, now turn it on. Now it will not ask anything. So now from one side it is receiving data internet from Wi-Fi, and from another side it is giving, it is tethering it is acting like hotspot also. It is giving internet data from that Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi sharing has been enabled in this phone. This is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider this channel for such information. Thank you very much.